Hi everyone, here we are at the Dollar Tree. Let's take a look at what they have. Okay, so we have the balloons out, Be My Valentine, and then over here the stickers. These say love, and then they have these treat bags, and these. And look, I think these are eyeglass cases. Aren't these pretty? How nice! I never seen these. These are new to our Dollar Tree, so they have that style, this style, this one down here, and look at this one. Very nice. Those are very pretty. Then they have your heart containers, and then the little gift boxes. Okay, this is a pretty color. Very pretty. Okay, so here we have the doilies, and somebody hung that there, the 3-tier hearts. Here are the heart doilies, and the white, the red, and the pink. And then we have the felt stickers. Okay, what are these? Oh, these are tablecloths. Aren't these pretty? Okay, so they have that one. Oh, look, this one has the truck on it. How sweet! I'm loving that. Okay, so let me see if that's the only kind. Okay, so they have the hearts and that Love XOXO. So that's new to this Dollar Tree here. Okay, and then they have the tins. Look how pretty the tins are. So they have that kind, this one, and then this one. That's really nice. Okay, then we have, I love this table scatter, that pink. Isn't that pretty? Okay, so they have this color pink, and then they have the red, and then they have the confetti, the heart confetti. So they have that, and then here's the tissue paper. So these have the hearts on them. And this one says, Be Mine, Hugs and Kisses, Be My Valentine. And I'm absolutely loving this one with the gold hearts. Isn't that pretty? Here's some more table scatter. These are the foam ones, the glitter foam ones. And then we have the gift bags. That's so nice. So here's a double pack, and then here is the double pack. These are so nice. So you have the boxes, the heart boxes, and 3 different sizes. Okay, and then here's some more stickers. Oh look, here's foam stickers. They look like conversation hearts. So we have all of those. And so we have these kind of stickers like I showed you, and then we have the heart stickers. And then those are the mixed hearts in the colors. Very nice. Now these are stickers also. Let's see what else they have here. So they have these. Those are so cute. Let's see what other kind. Alright. I'm really liking those. Look at these. These have the lips. I like those. I gotta pick some of those up. And then they have this one. Aw, and then look at those with the little dogs. So those are all new. I'm loving the stickers, so I gotta grab some of those. Here's the cupcakes and the coffee. Then they have that kind. Those are the dog ones, and they have that kind. Okay. And then these are the necklaces. These are the tins. Okay, those are the styles they have. These are really pretty. Smitten, your tote's amazing. Love, and the little sloth over there that says, I love slow much. I love you slow much. And then these are the little treat bag, the mini paddle, the mini paddle balls. Then you have the erasers and the pencils. And here's the notepads. And these are called Whack-A-Pack balloons. Here's the stampers. Okay, and then they have the little mini yo-yos. Aren't those sweet? And the little dinosaurs. The florals that are out now. Let me just scan that for you. The big roses are all along the bottom. And these, let me see. Yeah, this is, oh no, these are 3 roses. It's like a 3 rose bunch. That's nice. And then the bigger ones is just 1. Okay. These are so pretty. Look at these. Okay, they have some more succulents along the bottom. The hydrangeas are out now too. And so here are the signs. Okay, so we have the sponges. These are like sponges. So this one says love and the heart. Those are the only 2 kind I see. And then the bath bombs, strawberry scented. This one says love bomb and strawberry. This one is cotton candy, the one in the red. And did I do the white? Yeah, that's strawberry. And the pink, lavender. So that's what they have here. And then they have these heart buckets. That's not new. Over here they have a little bit of their love jewelry, earrings. Those are really cute. These have a cross. These are nice. So these are the hearts. Let me just scan what they have right now. So they have the double tinsel hearts and those teddy bears over there. And then you have the Happy Valentine's Day. And those are not red. That's burgundy. Then you have those. The felt heart rings. The felt hearts. I only have one of those love signs out. Let's see what's over here. Love you to the moon and back. I'm loving that color. Okay, so this is what they have out so far. They don't have everything out yet. I'm loving the shape of that heart, and I'm loving that color pink. And then there are the love hearts and tinsel. That welcome sign on the corner here. Here's some more flowers, and here's some more gift bags. Tissue paper, some paper shreds, and some bows. Okay, just kind of scanning that there for you. And here is the truck. Oh, how cute. I don't think I saw this. That one has the one with the gems on it. See? Those are pretty. And here is some garland. Some balloons. Some more balloons on this side. We have some little gift boxes along the bottom here. And they swiped out all the ribbon. Let's see what's left. Okay, that one says, I picked you. Okay, and this one, yeah, I picked you. So this is the heart picks. So you have the hearts on the bottom and that love. That's really nice. And these are just the hearts. Here it is in the pink. And I'm loving the stickers. So we have this kind, and then we have this kind. And then we have the little treat sacks. So this is like little burlap sacks with the pink heart, the red heart. And here's some tulle. Here's the red one with the glitter, the hot pink, the white. Some more felt stickers with the gems. And these are foam stickers also. The conversation heart stickers, foam stickers. And then we have some cards for the kids to give out for Valentine's Day. And here are the lights, LED lights. You get 10 with the heart. That's what's left there. What is this one? Oh, look, they have the pink LED, the wire lights. And then these are the foam hearts. This one here says love with the glitter. And I'm loving those. And then we got some little plushies, little toys over here. Well, stuffed animals. How cute. Okay, so we have the little candy hearts. That one says, I think that's a mermaid. Okay. Those are just some chocolates. So over here we have some more chocolates and some lollipops, some candy. Those are tattoo lollipops. So this is what we have here along this side. I think that's cotton candy. It is. This is cotton candy. And these are nice. Aren't these pretty? Cookies and cream. Okay. Very nice. And the Tootsie Roll Pops and the little heart pops. These are really nice. Okay. On this side we have some mints and some more candy. Okay. And we just have some plasticware here. So guys, thank you for coming with me to the Dollar Tree just to see what's out for Valentine's Day, and I'll see you in the next video.